Hello, this is Alicia, and today we're doing a Givenchy beauty unboxing. This is the box that it comes in. It was a little difficult getting this out of the box, but eventually I do. Now that we got it out, we can start the review. It has a flap top. So when you first open the box, you'll see the Givenchy logo on the top of it. The first item that we have is a gift travel bag. It's solid black with the logo on the front of it. On the side of our bag, it has a zipper that says Givenchy Beauty. Inside, there's a mascara. It's called Volume Disturbia. It's supposed to add volume and curve to your eyelashes. I did try this mascara out, and it did add length to my eyelashes. The next item is La Roche Balm. This is just a clear lip balm that I like to purchase. This balm is made with 96% natural origin ingredients, including jojoba seed extract. It comes in a white leather case. Next we have the La Roche Deep Velvet Holiday Collection Lipstick. This one's in the shade 37. This lipstick is a part of the Christmas collection. So it has a velvet material on the outside and a gold case. This is a sample of one of their creams. I will put all the information and details in the description below. I did go ahead and swatch a little bit of the cream so you could see the consistency of it. The next item is a sample of the lipstick. This is in the shade 333. The great thing about their lipsticks is that they can be refilled, and you can purchase refills on the website. This one's black with silver hardware. I brought the limited edition shade next to it for comparison. You can see the difference between the velvet and the leather, and the gold and the silver hardware. Next, I have 2 samples of their perfume and cologne, Gentleman and Irresistible. The next item that I have is a travel size of Irresistible. This is perfect for putting in your purse. The next item is another generous sample of L'Interdit perfume. They have a limited edition on their website right now. This one doesn't have a spray at the top because it is the smaller size of it, and I just wanted to show you how it comes out. Last but not least is my Christmas edition of Irresistible. It comes in this cute little box. The ribbon around it is actually stretchy. Inside, we have a full-size bottle and also a travel-size bottle. You can stuff this in your carry-on if you're going to travel, or it can go into your purse. This travel size does have the spray nozzle, so you would be able to spray this on. I really like the diamond detail on this bottle. It's very beautiful. So the box also came with a gift message. I ordered this so you guys could see what it looks like. It doesn't come with an envelope, but it is included in the box. And that is it for today's haul. If you guys are interested in seeing the swatches of lipstick, I will be putting it on my vlog. If you guys would like to see swatches here on the video, just let me know in the comments. Thank you.